Hi friends, today I'm going to explain about the cotton fiber and its properties and its morphology and its origin and other details. Please subscribe my channel Textile Technology Tutorials and icon bell icon and share it to your friends if you are interested, anybody interested to share and like it. Okay, today is the cotton fiber class. See, come to the morphology. Now we'll go for morphology of the textile fiber. Individual fiber, this picture, what the picture is here appearing, this is a longitudinal shape. This is a longitudinal view of the cotton fiber, and this is a cross section view of the cotton fiber. But what we assume, if we take cotton fiber in hand, it appears like a cylinder, round cylinder. But these two pictures are appeared in the microscope. When we see in the microscope, these appears like this. Cotton fibers are not a cylindrical round shape. It's it's a uh, it's a flat ribbon like structure is there. This is vertically, it is a long shape, flat ribbon like shapes it appears. Okay, and in cross section, this is seems like a shape of kidney or shape of beans. Okay, this is the primary, this outer layer is called the primary wall, and inside thick one is called the secondary wall, and core one is called the lumen. This much of simple structure it is having. This is a morphology. And the cellulose morphology means not only this longitudinal shape and cross sectional shape we need to know, but also this morphology. This fiber is made of polymers, number of polymers. Not only this cotton fiber, any fiber you take, polyester or nylon or whatever, any other fibers, these fibers are made of polymers, polymer chains. These number of polymer chains construct some constructions. They together form some bindings inside the fiber. If the binding is those bindings forms different areas, that is amorphous regions, crystalline regions. Okay, this crystalline region means that is a rigid binding of the number of polymers together, join together and construct. Amorphous means the polymers are free from each other, floating each other, free from each other. And rest, this whatever the space available other than this crystallinity region, and for polymer chains and amorphous regions, these are all total contributing. Whatever cellulose substance, these are all each polymer chain made of the substance chemical element cellulose. Okay, around 92% of this fiber is contained with the polymer chains of cellulose. The rest 10%, whatever rest portion is, that is free. That is usable for the dye fiber affinity for wet finish, wet processing or finishing or dyeing, whatever it is there. The dyeability of the fiber depends upon the fiber morphology. Okay, this is about morphology. Hope you have understood this class. If any comments are there, please write the comments. If you have any questions, please let me know. Okay, so So the things here is, please subscribe my channel, please bell the icon, please like it or share to the persons who are not technically qualified, who have not studied diploma, who have not studied tech, who have not studied PhD, who have not nothing know about it. These classes are for everybody who are other than the people other than the textile industries who are involved in designing the garments, cutting the tailoring, stitching, and other things. Totally other areas. Any so please let me know.